In this video, you'll learn how to change the language settings on your Calendly account. By following these steps, you will customize the language for your booking page, confirmation screens, and emails sent to invitees. Begin by logging into your Calendly account, navigate to the main website and enter your credentials. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your Calendly dashboard where you can manage your scheduling. Next, locate the account settings option. This can typically be found in the lower left corner of the dashboard, represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon to reveal a menu, and then select Account Settings from the list. Once you're in the Account Settings section, look for the Profile tab. This tab will be displayed along the top of the settings page. Click on Profile to access your personal information and preferences. After you've entered the Profile section, scroll down until you find the Language option. This section allows you to choose your preferred language from a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down to see the list of available languages. Select your desired language from the list. After making your selection, ensure that you click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it confirms your new language preference. Changing the language will affect various aspects of your Calendly account. This includes the text displayed on your booking page, the buttons users will see, the confirmation screens presented after scheduling, and the emails sent to your invitees. These changes will help provide a more personalized experience for your users. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.